Hi folks, and welcome back to the pole barn of bad decisions and broken dreams, where the coffee's always hot. Not so much. But you can head into your kitchen, get a fresh cup of coffee, and sit back and enjoy the videos. Thanks for stopping in. Here we have a 1959 Bmw R30 motorcycle. It was driven back and forth from California to Michigan back in the 70s. And in California, it was stored in a building since the 70s. It came back to Michigan in the early 2000s, where I received it. Has original paint, is complete. What I'm wondering is it worth anything? Is it worth a good trade? Is it worth selling? How much would something like this go for? I'm not sure I'm real interested in selling it, but put down in the comments what you think.